Our final AP question for Quideo 4 says each person in a random sample of 1,026 adults in the U.S. was asked the following question. Based on what you know about the Social Security system, what would you like Congress and the President to do during the next year? The response choices and percentage were shown below, so right here. A says find a 95% confidence interval for the proportion of all United States adults who would respond, make some major changes to the question. Give an interpretation of the confidence interval and give an interpretation of the confidence level. So make major changes, 39%. So first what I did was check to see if the sample was large enough or small enough. So I took the NP times 1026, which is, as you can see, the total up here of adults in the U.S. that were surveyed, times the 0.39, which equals the 400.14 is greater or equal to 10, and then QP of the same 1026 times 0.61 equals 625, and then is greater or equal to 10, and then you can see that the sample is in fact large enough. 61 being the rest of the percent, like minus the 39. Then the 1026 is multiplied to 10, and you can see that the sample is small enough as well. So then I decided what test I was going to use, and I used the 1 proportion z interval test. So my equation is x plus or minus z star and the square root of pq over n. So x bar being the mean of 0.39. So I take the 0.39 plus or minus the 0.96, which is my z, square root of 0.39 times 0.61 over the total of 1026, and I get that 0.3601 and 0.4198. So we are 95% confident that the true proportion of adults in the U.S. who would respond make some major changes is between 0.3601 and 0.418. Part B says, an advocate for leaving the system as it now is commented, based on this poll, only 39% of adults in the sample responded that they want some major changes, while 41% that they only want minor changes or no changes at all. Therefore, we should not change the system. Explain why the statement, while technically correct, is misleading. So the statement is misleading because it completely disregards and ignores the 19% who said that they want to completely overhaul the system. The 19% and the 39% who want major changes is added up to 58, and then which is odd because only 41 responded that they want minor changes. So this also throws things off because the percent who want major changes may in fact actually be more than those who answered minor or no change at all. And that's it for the AP question.